Hey guys, Mr. Bone here. I just wanted to give you a quick update on that edgenuity class. As I'd said in the Monday video, I deleted the last two activities that we're shortening that up so you have the whole last week to catch up on things. So several of you looked like you still had some things to do until about 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock this morning, and now all of a sudden you are finished with the class. So don't freak out. Nobody hacked into your account. Nobody did your work for you or anything like that. It changes all the dates that were due as well. So if I took out the last two assignments, Edgenuity goes back in and says, oh, well, now this assignment should be due on June 5th and this one should be June 1st and so on and so on. So it changes those dates automatically. Just again, that's just a reference for you to make sure you're done by June 5th. But really, there's no assignment that last week. So June 3rd is when I would really like to put in all those grades. I know Mrs. Pedley was looking at June 3rd for the same thing. So just don't freak out too much. The last two assignments in Edgenuity have been taken out. That changed everybody's due dates, and some of you now are complete. You're done. That's about it. See you later.